Are you looking for the best coffee scoop? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find, got a bag in a box here. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that apple for me right there. So this right here is your scoop. All made out of plastic. Got the nice tamp on the bottom right there, which also doubles as just standing this thing up vertically if you want to do that as well. This slides on back right here. You scoop your coffee, and then whenever you slide it back, it's going to level it off for you as well. And then this top part that also levels off acts as a funnel, so you can easily get it into whatever vessel you like to put your coffee grinds into, whether you're using like a reusable Keurig cup type of thing, or I've got this right here, which goes like an internal part with my coffee maker. You just fill this part with grinds. And one thing that I like about this is that sometimes like I never know how much grinds I should actually be putting into there. And this kind of gives you an idea. This is how much you should be using. And so let's go ahead and test this on out. I got some coffee right here so we can check this out. Open up the bag. And I'm just gonna put the whole scoop right on in. It fits into these nice little bags like this if you do need to get down on into there. Just gonna simply bring it on that. And as you can see, like, it's not level. I don't know how, if I need the right amount, I can just simply push this on back and get my fingers up. There we go. And now I've got a nice level scoop of coffee right there. I just simply take that, put it into here, and flip that on over. It goes out. And I really like this funnel aspect of it, because if you are doing those reusable Keurig pods, like those things are really small. You know, they get them in the reusable ones. And whenever they're that small, if you're trying to like use a spoon to be able to dump that in there, or you know, trying to use the bag to just slowly get it out of there, it's not going to work for you. You need something that's going to make the hole smaller so that the coffee grinds come out at a consistent rate going down into whatever vessel you plan on putting it in. So if y'all are looking for an excellent coffee scoop right here, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these. The bottom part does come off. As I mentioned, you can use that as a holder if you just want to have it vertically on there. But it's also a tamp as well. So if you want to tamp down your coffees, like if you're doing an espresso type of thing, you'd be able to get that into there to be able to make it nice and flat for you. Also, the other thing about this is that whenever you do pull it out, you do have a little circle right here. So if you want to hang it up somewhere, you can easily just hang it like underneath the cabinet, on the side of the cabinet, wherever. You have like a little hook so that everything has a space. Everything knows where, you know, everybody knows where everything goes. It's its own safety spot, and you can just simply put it onto there. So I love that. They do make these in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you, to kind of match everything in the kitchen and all that type of stuff. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all this if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, y'all, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that elbow right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.